Welcome to another episode of Weld.com. I was over minding my own business, waiting on Cub to cut out some parts here a while ago, and I was admiring some of the work that's coming off the Quickie plasma table you got over there, and something got into you. I don't know what it was, man. You chirped. Said something about my work being slow or something. Yep. What was that all about?
Slow, wire feet settings off, everything. I think I could beat you.
Calling me out.
Sounds like it. Bob, earlier I seen you were doing a little demo on short circuit MIG. The R70S-6. You look a little weak, buddy.
Weak? What do you mean? My settings were off a little bit or what? I wasn't running at the right values or running too slow? What are you saying? What do you mean I was weak?
You're weak. You need to up your game. I think ManCub beat you. Now.
Are you chirping? Are you calling me out or something?
What do you want to do? We'll cut a 3-foot 1/8 inch material right here. We'll go 3-foot 1/8 inch. We'll tack them together and I'll race you from start to beginning. Do it right now.
So you're saying 035 wire and we both just do a run?
Short circuit.
Okay.
All right. 035. All right, let's do it. I'll cut them out right now. I'm gonna do it.
I'm waiting on you like I wait on the camera guy, you know?
Let me draw it up. You ready to get your butt kicked?
I guess.
All right. Better go get your stuff ready.
Me? All right, folks, here we go. We've got a couple plates here we're gonna run on. Looks like 3/16. We're just gonna run a straight fillet weld. Short circuit, since you're dogging on my short circuit skills. We're both running off ESOB machines up here, Carbon? 205, 285.
You're on A36 or stainless?
Hang on a second. Oh, that's A36, that's carbon steel.
Good.
All right, throw down, let's do it. ManCub's been talking trash all day. I don't know what he's up to, but I'm about tired of his gaff. And I'm feeling plumb lazy, so I pulled out a secret weapon over here, and I think I'm just gonna blow right on by him. Hopefully, you'll see. I'm gonna smoke this cat. My dust, Bob. Oh yeah. You know, if you were minding your business, you wouldn't be minding mine. Mike, that's a great job you just did. That is a pretty nice looking weld. You know how I know? Because I got to watch you run about the last 12 inches at least.
What the heck, Bog?
What? 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 What did I do?
Nothing. Nothing.
What? Well, you just got benzled, man.
Yeah, bad. All right, I take that back.
I found it under your desk. I thought I'd hook it up, you know?
From now on, I'm never going to call you out, Bob. I'm sorry.
Oh, come on. Please do.
You did get me good, man. You did. Damn, you smoked me.
I had to I didn't want to lose, man, so I had to up my travel speed and make it nice and tight, you know? Run it in there kind of crispy.
Looks good. Yeah,
I think even the camera got it like that, don't you think?
Oh yeah, that looks real good.
Don't talk about my settings ever again. Okay, I don't want to have this conversation again. All right, guys, we're just having a little fun around here. You know, a little chirping, chop busting. That's what the Cub does to me all the time. I was worried. I really thought he was going to turn and burn there and smoke the old man, but I got tricks, I guess. Shouldn't have left that piece of equipment underneath your desk.
I should have hit it better.
I knew that thing would run nice and fast.
Yeah.
We're going to get a little B-roll for you. Thanks for watching Weld.com. We really appreciate you subscribing and supporting us. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram, and thanks so much.
All right, hold on, give me a second.
Come on, you can talk all day long. You can't do
No, on the phone.
Audio check.
Hey guys, I'm Bob Moffett.
Hi guys, I'm definitely not ManCub.
You shut your mouth when you're talking to me, ManCub. I didn't hear your machine run, guys. I was like, over there, I couldn't. Was I even close to it first?